We back, baby! Woo! Throughout the parking garage. Sup, guys? We're back, and we finally got a camera back on. No longer do we have to have it mounted right here, because that was stupid. Surround and look at us. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. Yeah. Oh my god, they got ducks in the dash. Oh hell no, I ain't going back on that road. That road sucks ass. That you're never gonna ever take away from me. Yeah. Anyways, wait, what? Bro, it's making me U-turn. Why? Maps, you don't know what you're talking about, bro? I'm going that way. Why don't I just fucking turn left? Whoa, bro, it's got a truck. Oh, what the fuck? Anyways, I'll tell you about the journey to get this fucking camera finally recording again. So it broke twice in the span of like an hour. I just talked about in the last video, which annoyed the shit out of me. That day, I went to Best Buy and Walmart. They both didn't have it. So then I went on Amazon and I ordered these, and they just came in on Tuesday. It's now Thursday. I just forgot to get them, and now it's on. So yeah, this has been like, it's been like 2 weeks since I recorded like an actual video like this, which is wild. Ooh, guys, look how beautiful that river is. Living off on the river. Damn. Oh, this is the exit lane. Shit. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause you make me feel like I've been knocked out of heaven. Anyways, you guys might be wondering, where the hell are we going? That's a great question, because I don't really know. Oh, that sun is bright! Ready? Rev match. That's a bad rev match. Ready? Oh, rev match, let's go! Whoa, buddy, that is a something red line. You can't do that. You make me feel like I've been knocked out of heaven. You saw a little backtrack. So anyway, back to the original question. Whoa, what happened? Oh my god, it's nails. Oh my god, my heart actually just dropped. There's a bunch of nails on the road. Holy shit. Should I go back and pick those up? I'm gonna pick this up. Those nails should not be on the road. I think it was nails. Let's go investigate. Feel like. Let's go investigate. Let me take my phone because I don't want that to be stolen. My key. Let's go see. I think it was nails. We're being a good citizen of Belmead, even though I don't live in Belmead. I know someone just steals my bike. Bye bike. So they probably think something's wrong. No, I just walk and listen to Bruno Mars. What the fuck is that? Dude, that's so much. I don't know if I can pick up all this. Maybe I'll just kick it over. Is it even nails? That's what it looks like. Oh shit. It's like sockets and stuff. Someone lost like their like toolbox. I just get plowed by an 18-wheeler. Something else can plow me. Oh my god, so many tools. I wonder what happened. Someone lost like their toolbox or something? There's some glass right there. Oh my god, there's so much. Imagine when he just cuts through my glove. I would cry. These are expensive Alpine Star gloves. Oh, my back's starting to hurt. Everyone is staring at me. I forgot what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. Oh, my back is hurting! Woo! What the hell is that? No. Yo, that's actually so dangerous. Slowing down. You're good. Keep going. You're good. They're all slowing down because they think I'm like, they're like being careful. I'm almost done, guys. There's just like a few more little pieces I don't want people to run over. But like, that whole lane's completely fine. It's just this lane. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so hot on my back. I deserve like a fucking sticker or a cookie or something for this shit. Oh shit. But they were coming in fast. That just scared me. I mean, to be fair, no one really knows what I'm doing. But oh my god, look, I can put on my finger. Alright guys, I think that's it. That's all the big things. I mean, it's just little like washers and shit left. Alright, that's good enough for me. We saved the city, guys. Woo! Oh, my neck is killing me. Oh yeah. Baby, you're so classic. Alright, I just did my good deed for the day. Give me like the keys to the fucking city or something, I don't know. Hello? Go in! Oh, there we go. Let's do a quick little turn around right here. Can I turn around right here? Yep. Oh, look at that little U-turn! Bro, I need some fast speed for that, dude. I need to cool off. I need some wind in my face, bro. I'm sweating. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but you pretty don't explain it. I really need to understand this when you talk dirty to me. Why is that place kind of like the Alamo? Amazing vape. I think you misspelled amazing. Come on, we can go faster. The speed limit's 40. So calm and maybe. Oh, guys, speaking of that, I have to show you. Someone left their number on my bike. They left like a little note right here, and they said like, if you ever need a backpack, call me. So let's fucking go. Biker Riz, you know, you guys think you need, you know, all the fancy clothes and all? No, just get a bike. It works wonders. Alright guys, as you can probably oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. You guys can probably tell, we're using a self-car wash today, and these don't look that great. Oh wow, these are old as shit, dude. Oh my god, we're gonna try this out. I've never done this on my bike. Uh-oh, that's not gonna work. Hold on, let's try this again. Alright, let's see how this goes. Try to wash our bike a little better, you know, kind of got flamed how I washed it last time, so we're gonna try a different way. Oh wait, first let me show you guys the note. I'm so proud. There it is, look. It's like sitting right here. It says, let me know if you or your friends need a backpack. Jokes on them, I don't have any fucking friends. Alright, how does this shiz work? So I think you just give it quarters. I've done it before on my truck at a different place, but now we got a bike. Oh, let's kind of take our phone off because we don't want that to get sprayed. Alright, so as you can see, yes, all the instructions are totally there. How's it going? Doing good.
All is good. Hey man, I like you, right?
Thank you very much.
Hey man, I need a favor, man.
What's going on?
I'm be honest with you, man. You got a few bucks, man. I need to give me something to eat. I'm down on my luck, man, and I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yes, sir.
Man, my family treats me like shit. And when I get money, I help them all out, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I get broke, nobody got nothing. Is that right?
That's kind of how it goes sometimes.
I just need a few bucks, man. I mean, that's fucked up.
Let me see what I got. Here you go. I got a few bucks for you.
All right, thank you, man.
Yes, sir. You have a blessed day.
Hey, man, you know what? Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I like that bike, man.
Thank you very much. You have a blessed day. Anyways, so as you can see, dude, I'm so, what the fuck is that? Anyways, right, all the instructions are completely gone. They're supposed to be on this side. So we're just kind of gonna wing it. So pretty much, I think what we do is we set it to what we want, and then it's $1.50 for each one. So I got a shiz ton of quarters in here. Oh, that's a lot. So I think what we're gonna do first is just rinse. Or let's do pre-soak, foam brush. Wait, I'm confused. Foam brush, wash soap. Okay, so we want wash soap. We don't want to brush our bike. I guess we could, but let's go with pre-soak, wash soap, and then rinse. Okay, let's do that. Insert coins, read the instructions. Oh wait, grip, wash, wand. I thought it was a wash wand. Guys, it took my money. There we go. Got it. Now, pre-soak. That's it? Bro, what is this water pressure? No shot. That's all we're given. No shot. This is a joke, right? Come on. I mean, I guess it'll work, but geez. You would think you would get a little bit more. My sink gives more pressure than this shit. How long do I have on this? And can I just switch it to any other mode whenever I want? Or is it like... There's got to be like a time limit, right? Or okay, so I pre-washed it, I guess. Can I switch it to wash soap? Oh my... Dude, that turned on so quick. Oh, this is what we use to wash the soap off. You know, I'm a... Looking back, okay, no, this is actually good. I was just being stupid. That actually scared me so much. I'm even cleaning that floor. Look at me. Ew, what's on my boots? All the other boys chase me. No, I ran out. No. Wait, I want to pay for more. I mean, it's not bad, but I still want more. So I guess you have like, what, 5 minutes maybe? Okay, we should try some other stuff. We could probably do like triple foam and then rinse, probably. All right, so we got 25 cents, 50 cents. Do I have enough? I actually don't know. 75, $1.25, $1.50. Perfect, only 2 left. All right, let's go with, quick. Let's go with triple foam. It's not working, help. Triple foam's not working, help. Hello? Okay, I guess we're gonna go with pre-soak. So we can get some soap. Fool if I had to die. Alright, now let's switch it quickly to wash soap, and then we'll go to rinse. Oh my god, this side of the bike looks so pretty. Sorry, I'm such a child. Alright, well there's our $3 worth of cleaning our bike. I think it looks good. Also, we're gonna add some polisher to it after, clean our chain once we get back. But you know, I feel like that was worth it, honestly. Only 10 minutes away, not bad. Now, I have a question. That shit is wet. What the hell do I do? Do I just like clean it off, I guess? I mean, dry it off. Poe's gonna love this. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our towel and try to dry this shit so my ass isn't wet. Oh, something else we should talk about while I see it. You might notice on this other side, there's a yellow zip tie holding my bike together. So yeah, pretty much, it's literally just the bottom of this fairing. Is this the fairing? This is part of the fairing, right? Yeah, yeah. The bottom of this fairing, I just noticed one day this bolt was missing, so I put a zip tie through it just to hold it together. I did order the same bolt, it should be just like this one. So I ordered that off of the Partzilla from Kawasaki, the stock ones. And so those are in, I just have to go back home in order to get them. But yeah, oh my god, did he actually get food? He actually got food. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd mention that. I noticed it was gone one day and then I'll be replacing that once I go back home. It's no big deal. I mean, even before I put the zip tie, it was just like a little like loose, but it's fine. So it should be good. Anyways, back to our regularly scheduled Charlie Puth. Guys, I feel like we need to go fast. I did my 2 good deeds for the day. We didn't wash my bike, I'm feeling good. We need a speed, baby! All of those little drops are flying off on me, and I keep getting hit in my shirt. Oh, I need to turn right. Oh, looks like we're going straight. Whoops. I was meant to turn right, but green light. I don't know what it'll make me do. So, in the world of motorcycles, there's this thing called counter steering, which, if you've ever watched cars before, basically you need to turn right in order to go left. Which, for me, when I first heard this, I've heard this forever, and I just didn't believe it. I'm like, it makes no sense. I took physics, I know how physics works. That does not make sense. And so I'm going to try to explain it to you in a way that made sense to me. But what I can first of all say, it is very real. And so basically what it is when you push on the left side, which you would think by pushing your handlebars this way, you're going to turn this way and go that way. But when you push here, you're going to go left. And I'll show that real quick. Watch. If I push here, bike goes left. If I switch and I push here, bike goes right. So it's called counter steering because of that. And the way that it understands to me, it's just a shift of weight. All you're doing by pushing here is you're shifting your weight to this side of the motorcycle. You think about it, it's sitting like this, and it needs to balance. So if you're pushing on this side, you're gonna lean this way, and the bike's gonna want to go that way. So that's how it makes sense to me. But it is so fun, because literally I can just sit here on my handlebars, push one side, push the other, and I can bounce between the lines. But it's something very important that you have to understand. I wouldn't focus too much on having like, okay, I need to turn right, or I need to turn right in order to go left. Like what? That doesn't make sense. It'll make sense when you're on a bike. Trust me, don't try to understand it. Get on a bike, get to at least 30 miles an hour, try it, it makes perfect sense. Because all you're doing is shifting your weight. Doing like this shifts your weight, and that's why you turn. Can we just appreciate how beautiful it is right now? I don't know if you can see that back there. Sunset's getting pretty. Once we get back in about 7 minutes, it'll be beautiful, I guarantee it. What is rev matching? How to rev matching? Now, by no means am I an expert on rev matching. I am still learning. Every single time I do it, I have to focus and like really think about what I'm doing. So I'm not great at it, but I want to explain what it is. Basically, when you downshift, you know that your engine is going to be running higher than what the gear's RPM should be. Because when you're in third and you drop to second, your RPMs are going to skyrocket. Like for example, if I'm in fifth and if I just drop, you hear that, how it goes up so much? And so you saw when I dropped the gear, it went down, but then it went straight back up. I'll show it again. So I'm right about 6,000, and if I drop, it drops, but then it goes right back to 6 and a little bit higher than 6. So what you're gonna do to combat that is you're gonna pull in the clutch, give it a little bit of throttle, which is gonna raise those RPMs, so when you do downshift, you're already there, those RPMs. It doesn't have to climb back up. So watch. Let me get up to 6, and I'll do it down to 5th. So I'm sitting at 6, and then that wasn't really good. Let me try again. There it is. You saw how it stayed right around 6? You know, it didn't shoot up, it didn't shoot down, it stayed right around 6. Obviously, the better you get, you want to keep it at whatever it's at, but I'm still learning, so yeah. But that's pretty much what rev matching is. It's very quick. You're going to pull in the clutch, give it a tiny flip of the throttle, and that's literally just the tiniest bit of throttle, and then you're going to go down. They're all at the same time, but I would say downshifting happens last. Yeah, they're all like almost right at the same time. But out of the 3, downshifting happens last, at least for me. That's what I found works the best. So ready? It stayed right at 6. And I gotta say, rev matching is the best way to downshift. And it sounds amazing. It just sounds so cool. When you downshift, it does get louder, and it sounds cool. But you're not jolting the bike forward, because normally when you downshift, watch. You see how I like jolt forward? That's not what you want. You don't want to be jolting forward. You don't want that. You want to be as smooth as possible. Yeah, baby! something that's really important is when you go through intersections, look both ways. I don't care if it's green, I don't care even if it's yellow and you're about to run a red light. Look both ways, because people run red lights all the time, and if it's nearing the end of that light, people are gonna shoot to that intersection. So especially on a bike, when people don't really see you and they might see that, you know, yellow turning red and be like, oh, maybe I can make it. I don't see anyone coming, I don't see the bike coming. They might try to take that red light, and that won't be good for you. Whoa, brake lights. You always gotta be looking ahead, because that could have been bad if I wasn't paying attention. Okay, that guy just ran a red light. See, that's what I mean. So they say that you're not supposed to. Ooh, they are pretty. They're really pretty. Anyways. Look at how beautiful that is with the birds flying. Oh, what is that? I did not want to hit that. Whoa! Watch out, buddy! Oh, Texas Tech, ew! Oh, red match, baby! Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, where's Mexican food? Mexican food, the Mexican food, where's the Mexican food? It smells like Mexican food. Oh, now I smell weed, never mind. Whoa, the popo! Woo! Should I do the popo thing to them? I'm kind of speeding like 10 over, but it'll be fine. Oh my god, what the hell? Really? Whoa! Beep, 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 beep. Ready? And kill it. Wow, what a beautiful Jeep Gladiator. What a beautiful, what a beauty, what a beauty. Compact vehicle. Must fit in space. Oh, well, good thing I'm compact as shit. Yeah, no, they look about the same. I think I'm good. Alright guys, we're back, so hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out.